Thanks for clicking on the video of our John Deere 2633 30 foot 8-inch VT machine. I'm here in Janesville, Wisconsin. We traded this unit in on a speed disc that we had here. Customer is just a little east of us, 10-15 miles. I don't know if he bought it new or used, but pretty good shape. On the whole, there's one flaw on the rear that I'll show you in a few seconds, but the front discs I think are pretty nice shape. They're somewhere between 21-22 inches. I'm assuming they start out at 22, so I think they're pretty decent. There's a little warp here on one, but not that bad. The rear blades, I think they measured somewhere between 21 and 22, and those things I thought looked pretty decent. Now there are some broken blades and some bent on the rear here. This looks like there's a couple of missing. I noticed it. Oh, right there's a broken one, and a couple of bent blades. So a little work to be done on the blades, but not too darn bad. The part that's discerning though is it's missing the rear reel. I don't know what happened to it, but there are the two pieces that we have that are pictured separate. They are pictured separately, and you'll see them on the website. That they're kind of broken up and beat up, and a couple of gangs are completely missing. So I think you'll have to figure out something to, if you want a reel on the back, conjure up something yourself, or find something on a salvage, or I'm not sure how you're going to go about it, but what you see is what you get here. Otherwise, paint is decent on this. Actually, it's pretty good. We did just clean it up, but there's shine to it, and transport wheels look good. I walked around as much as I could to find any broken pieces or welds, and I didn't notice anything. A broken disc or a scraper blade here and there, but nothing that's nothing of great concern. The front end looks good. Cushion gang, of course, but here's an example of the paint. I think it's pretty good shape here. So what you see, hopefully this helps, and come on over to Janesville and see it in person. So thank you. Appreciate you watching the video.